Hola, Rockstar.
Hey guys, and welcome to Today at RSG. So this here is a Mustang Cobra differential, and we're gonna try and stick this bad boy in our Rockstar garage race car. Will it fit? I don't know, but we're gonna give it a try. We'll check more on that later. So we also had Kevin come in today, and he brought his C7 Corvette. He wanted to replace his front seats. Well, not like he has back seats, but he's going to replace his seats with something a little lighter. He told me that his front seats each weighed 78 pounds, and he's going to go with some Recaros to lighten up that load. Let's see what those Recaros look like. Okay, and let's see the finished product. Everything looks like it came out a-okay. Everything bolted up nice and factory. So the biggest issue we're going to be facing with this differential is fitment. It's probably twice the size of a stock S2000 differential, but we have the axles and the drive shaft covered. So I'm going to reach on up there and I'm going to look to see how much space we have. And it is cavernous. There is tons of room for that differential in there. I'm going to move on to this S2000 here. That got some classic HKS hipermax coilovers put on. Came out looking real good. Perfect drop, just like always. Also had this cool WRX come in, upgraded his stock wheels to some Gramlights. That color is like a candy apple red. The filter I put on, you can't really tell, but man, do they shine. And right there, if you notice in the background, there is a real DC2 Integra Type R. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for coming in. You know, at this point you may be asking yourself, why in the hell would they be using a Ford diff? Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is why. When you put 500 horsepower through your S2000 engine and it makes its way to the differential, probably not going to last that long because Siricho Honda had no idea that you were going to do that. So that's why we put an American diff on this little Japanese RC car.
Look at all those little chunks of metal.
Alrighty guys, that's it for this episode, a little longer. Thanks for watching, we appreciate you stopping in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, let your friends know. Thanks for watching, Rockstars. Have a good weekend.
Kind of look like Tony Montana with you.